Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Black Shark 4, and in this video I'll show you speaker sound quality test, so we can just check how the speaker sounds in this smartphone. And this phone we can find the two speakers at the bottom and in this place. So I'm going to play this no copyright music at the highest quality on the YouTube, as you can see. So let's start. And as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.